Hi guys, welcome to my live intraday trading video. Today I have shorted 20 quantity Asian Paint at 2821, waiting for my target. The time is 9:23 a.m. This is the normal candlestick chart, and currently it is hovering over my shorting average price. Let's see what happens. This is Heiken Ashi candlestick charts. I'm sure today Asian Paint is going to fall. So I am waiting with patience for a good downside movement in Asian Paint. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Now it is going below my price. I think it should test minimum 2800 levels. Let's see. Currently it is running in 105 rupees profit. Here I have placed half quantity target at 2810 for booking the partial profit. Now 125 rupees profit running. This is trading below the VWAP, the previous lows, and below the average traded price, below super trend, and below the first pivot support level. So I think it should test the second pivot level. I have increased the video speed so that it should not be very long. It has made a low of 2812.10 just now. Still I am waiting for my target. Let's see what happens. I trade with Heiken Ashi candlestick patterns. So I have shorted 30 quantities in IndusInd Bank. I paused the recording because the video was getting much larger. You can see at an average price of 915 I have shorted. It is currently running in profit. Right now profit is of 160 rupees, 170. Let's see what happens. Now 200 plus. Asian Paint is going, making new lows. I have placed target in Asian Bank at 2800. Let's see now. IndusInd Bank is going down, and you can see what a beautiful chart pattern in Asian Paint. You can see I have booked profit in IndusInd Bank, and now I have shorted 100 quantity in ICICI Bank. I booked at 912 and I have shorted at 940.20 ICICI Bank because it is going below the VWAP and it has made a lower high pattern. So I think there can be a nice dip in ICICI Bank. Let's see. On Heiken Ashi chart, we can see that it is making red candles. Let's see. Currently my running profit is around 350. You can see Asian Paint continuous downfall. Very beautiful chart pattern it made today. It has given me profit of around 233 rupees. I have booked it full profit in Asian Paints, and right now ICICI is also running in profit. Let's see what happens. My target is around 537 in ICICI Bank, and for partial profit I have placed a target of, you can see here I have shorted Reliance. I paused the video at that time because it was getting quite long, and here the movement is taking time. Right now Reliance is running in profit of around 25 rupees. Let's see. My 50% quantity target of ICICI Bank was done, and now it is spiking again. And here I can see that Reliance is going below its VWAP. That's why I have shorted and placed my target also. Let's see if it takes SL or target. Let's see. Right now profit is around 450 rupees. So here you can see I am running in loss of around 100 rupees in Reliance, and in ICICI Bank I have increased my quantities as it is going below VWAP, so there can be a nice dip in ICICI, and you can see it has broken trend line also. Let's see what happens. For 50% quantities I have placed target. Reliance is running in loss and it is going above VWAP. It may hit my stop loss at 1923. I have no problem in that. My main bet is on ICICI right now. I think Reliance is going to hit my stop loss. I don't mind. So right now you can see ICICI Bank is giving me quite good profit.